So what is the auto reply and how can you use it? Well, it's very simple. First, let's go to the auto reply section and let's create a auto reply. So what is actually an auto reply? So an auto reply is an auto reply, meaning when a contact messages you, oftentimes you would want a automatic message to be sent to that contact or to be replied to that contact. You don't want to be waiting the contact for like hours or minutes. If you're not available, you just want a message to just be sent to that contact. And that is where the auto reply comes into place. You can set a trigger and then you can set a reply message, meaning when the contact messages you and if that message matched with the trigger of the auto reply, it will automatically send the reply message to that contact. Now let's create our first auto reply. I will name this auto reply welcome. I will select the trigger type. Now I am going to come back to these types, but I am going to select the first message from the contact option here. And this basically means if the contact has messaged you for the first time, this auto reply is going to be triggered. Now, when a contact messaged me for the first time, I'm just going to send a welcome message. So I will say welcome to the software and create the auto reply. Now, if I go to my inbox and if a contact messages me or my business for the first time, they will be sent a automatic reply using the auto reply. So here's an example. The contact has sent message to our business for the first time and our auto reply was triggered and our auto reply actually sent the reply message that we have set. You can see a little icon here which says A, meaning this message actually was sent using the auto replies feature. Now let's go back to the auto reply section. On the create page, I want to show you the different types of trigger we can actually set on our auto replies. So we have the exact match. If we select this option, you'll be presented with a trigger text. Now, whatever you put in here, if the contact's message contains exactly this text, so if I say, hello, are you there? Then if the contact messages you with this exact message, this auto reply is going to be triggered. If we select the message contains option, then if this text is included in the message of the contact that it has sent to you, then this auto reply is going to be triggered. If we select the starts with, then if the message from the contact starts with this text, then it will be triggered. Ends with just does the same thing. If the contact message ends with this text, then it will be triggered. And this first message from the contact, we have already used it, so no trigger text is required for this option. This means that the first message that the contact gives you, that is going to be triggering this auto reply. Also, I want to show you one more thing. If we select this use template option, we can actually select a template message. So if we do not select this option, we can just send a normal text message as a reply. If you select the template, we can actually send a template message as the reply. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this helps you create your auto replies. Good luck.